Have you ever felt like the stock market is a roller coaster, unpredictable and overwhelming? Or maybe you believe investing is reserved only for those with deep pockets. What if I told you that even with a limited income, you can build a strategy that's resilient to market instability? In today's video, I'll teach you practical, easy-to-apply strategies to protect your investments, no matter the economic climate. These tips aren't just for seasoned investors. They're for anyone ready to take control of their financial future. Ready to get started? Let's go! The financial world can be daunting, especially when markets fluctuate unpredictably. Did you know that in the past decade, market volatility has increased by over 20%? But here's the good news. With the right strategies, you can weather any storm and come out stronger. Think of your investments as a ship navigating turbulent waters. You can't control the storm, but you can control how you steer. By diversifying your portfolio, you spread out your risk, ensuring that if one area underperforms, others can balance it out. For example, instead of investing all your money in stocks, consider mixing it with bonds, real estate funds, or even ETFs. This is like not putting all your eggs in one basket. A classic but timeless strategy to protect your assets. Another critical step is building an emergency fund. Imagine an unexpected event shakes your finances. Having 3 to 6 months of living expenses set aside acts as a safety net, giving you confidence and security even in uncertain times. Now let's talk mindset. Successful investing is about patience and thinking long-term. Markets naturally go up and down, but history shows they tend to recover over time. Don't let short-term fluctuations derail your strategy. Keep your eyes on the horizon. Take the 2008 financial crisis, for example. Those who stayed invested and continued their contributions saw their portfolios recover and grow exponentially over the years. It's a clear lesson. Staying calm and consistent pays off. Another smart move is regularly reviewing your portfolio. Your financial goals and market conditions evolve, so it's essential to reassess your investments periodically. Think of it as a financial health check to ensure everything is aligned. Tools like hedging can also protect your assets. These might sound technical, but they're accessible. For instance, some investors use currency hedges to mitigate risks during global market shifts. It's all about creating layers of security. Let me share a quick story. Meet Sarah, a young professional who started with just a small monthly investment. By diversifying her portfolio and sticking to a long-term plan, she turned market volatility into opportunities and grew her wealth steadily. Sarah's story proves that these strategies aren't just theories, they work. Whether you're just starting or already investing, you can take actionable steps today to protect your financial future. And remember, the best time to start is now. To recap, focus on diversifying your assets, building an emergency fund, thinking long-term, reviewing your portfolio, and considering tools for added protection. These 5 strategies will strengthen your finances and give you peace of mind. Now, it's your turn. Take a moment to review your current investments and identify areas for improvement. Small steps lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like these. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to dive deeper into smart investing, check out the next video popping up on your screen. Together, let's make your financial future as stable and secure as possible. See you next time.